no more brake checks. Not on downhills. Holy shit, this just popped off good. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I got fucking thrown out of the car, dude. The door popped off and shit.
Oh.
I saved it though. We were about to tape and I steered right back into it.
Can we look at that?
Yeah.
Dude, like, do we still have that tape in here?
Dude, yeah. I gotta line these both up the same time. There we go. Alright.